interviews, reviews, and other things. So stick around, and I hope you guys subscribe, hit that like, and see us at CES 2026. So this is the new Aiper right here that they have in the showroom. I'm gonna show you guys how it comes down. Look at the level, it's automatically going. Look at the bottom. It's opening at the bottom. Underwater. There's the filter systems here when it docks in. All right, this is the docking station we're looking at right here. This is the auto dock 2.